Everyone, welcome to day 26 of the Scoensis presentation of next week coding challenge next week platform. Today I have completed all the things and pending ones also after year and day 85. Going to start to working our working days on the calculator and started on May 5th. March May 15th after the elections of April, Monday. Let's go to the scene and check the details. Go to coding practice done properly and starting with learn cards and screens. Return 3 times it is on basic access. To pass it. Pattern 11 and 50. And in here past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. They taught about it. You can see the syntax for I, you, be, pronouns, those days that he, see it, anything. You have to start playing scheme transfer for past perfect continuous tense with using desiractions. Arrangements that started in the past and continued for some time and stopped had been asked for later sentence had not been plus verb plus ing has to be used and as of sounded and this one practice at a score of 14. Past perfect assignment 10 by 10. By 10, I think 10 plus 14 10. And then here coding practice one has to be done. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that everyone knows my journey and you can smash the YouTube algorithm. Please like, share and subscribe. I want to reach 100 subscribers. I present 68. If you do that, it gives me more motivation to do this sort of videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.